Welcome to the tag team. Hello everybody, how you doing today? So I made these last year. I made a prototype of these, but they're these little miniature skulls. Okay, and these are tire caps to put on your tire, you know, when you fill it up with air. So these are going to be little tire caps. And these are for my grandson. He turns 18 today, the day you see this video. He's 18, my oldest grandchild. So what I'm gonna do now is I want these caps to be about right there. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a mark on this little popsicle stick about where I want my little caps to be. Well, let's see, I kind of want to get it even here. So that mark won't work. So it'll be this one. Be that one. Right here, and right here. And that's where I'm gonna put my hot glue. And I'm gonna glue these little caps onto my popsicle stick. So I'm basically just gonna put a little dab of glue on there and stick my lid, this part down, onto the popsicle stick. Very simple. Just want enough on there to glue your cap. Get your caps glued on. Make sure you get them glued on. If they're not, you can always come back with a little bit of glue around the edges. I think this one's gonna need more. Or what you could do, there we go. You could put it on the rim, but that's really gonna be hard to just put a nice big glob on there and stick your cap on. Now I'll let those dry. Make sure they're all on there good. Okay. And we'll mix up our resin and we'll get to step 2. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna clean up all the little glue spots here and mix up my resin, and we'll be right back. Okay, I mixed up 60 milliliters of Bond Craftor, and I'm gonna add some benevolence to it, is what I decided to use. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of benevolence and stir it in there. See how that does. We'll see how much that is, if that's good or not. And with mica powders, you really want to get them stirred in good And that's why I'm doing this right now, because I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. Make sure all my powder's mixed in well. And, oh, look, I got powder in there. Well, I got powder in that one too. Let's see if I can fix those. We don't want to mess up a birthday present. Let's see. I'm gonna put just a little bit more in there. Just a little bit more. Gotta darken it up a little bit more. Okay. Alrighty, I'm gonna stir this in. I'm gonna make sure I don't have any powder. I'm gonna leave this sit for a little bit, and I'm gonna clean these two up that got powder in them, and we'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and what we're gonna do is now we're gonna position our stick onto our little skulls right where we need them to be. Might move this one just a teeny bit because I want them all situated right where I want the little thing to be. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, so now all I'm gonna do is pour right into there and fill these up. Oops, I don't want to overfill, which I might have on that one just a little bit. Nope, it looks like it's okay. We're doing good here. Definitely want to fill them. Okay. We're looking good, looking good. Last one. I'm gonna have a lot of resin left over here, so I've got my flower molds, and I'm gonna fill them up. That's good. Now, I might do this. All right, I'm leaving them. Now what I'm gonna do is fill up my, here, I'll move them here so you can see them. These are my little beautiful flowers. I like to make magnets out of these. They turn out so pretty. I'm gonna have just a little bit left. So. I have an idea what I'm going to do with the rest of this. Okay, we're back. So now we're just going to pop this toothpick, this stick off of our, if we can get it to do it here. Oh, okay. Now it don't want to come off. Let's pop them off here. Oh no. Okay, you guys, I'm having struggles here. I poured too much resin in there and it got on the stick, and the stick's wanting to stick to it. Now let's get all that glue off of there. There it is. Let's use this. Yeah, I should have left the, there it is. Okay. I should have left the, resin down a little bit, but it's okay. I will fix these up and they will be perfect. I will have to clean these up. But let's check it out. Ooh, pretty cool. I have to clean all that up. I love these though. These are gorgeous color. I just have to do a little bit of cleanup on the bottom and they're perfect. The last time I made them, I didn't fill it up all the way, which might have been a good idea. But I ended up having to go back and fill it in, and I thought this time I'd just fill it all the way. So I'm good with it. And then let's check out these flowers because I love this flower mold, and I like to make these into magnets. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love to make these magnets. They make the most beautiful magnets for your refrigerator or wherever you want to hang them. Woo. So, 2 more magnets. And I'll clean these up and I'll come back. Okay, I cleaned them up. I took them outside. I tried them on my tires. They worked perfectly. I would suggest you maybe not fill it up as high as I did and go back and pour in the extra. But it doesn't matter. They worked perfect. I took them out. I tried them on my tires and we're good to go. So happy birthday, Jack. Happy Monday, everyone. Thanks for being here. I hope this gives you, you know, some creative thoughts to how you could make your own tire caps. Here's what I bought. I bought them off of Amazon. These skull molds I also bought off of Amazon. And the bond crafter you can get off of Amazon. I guess I'll put all the links for all of it down in the description. Love y'all. Have a great week. See you next Monday.